Let's dive into handles mirroring, a powerful way to control the flow and shape of your Bezier curves. When a point has two handles, the relationship between them defines the type of curve. Let's break down the mirroring options available in Figma. First up, no mirroring. With this option, both handles act independently, perfect for creating sharp angles or distinct corners. You can even delete one handle altogether. Just select the control point and press delete. Next, mirror angle. This sets the handles at 180 degrees to each other, forming a smooth Bezier curve without sharp angles. The lengths of the handles can still vary, letting you taper the curve differently on each side. Finally, mirror angle and length. Here, both handles are at the same angle and have the same length, ensuring a completely smooth curve. This option is ideal for creating shapes like ellipses or scene waves. Choosing the right mirroring option can make all the difference in achieving the flow you need for your design. So, the next time you're crafting paths, experiment with handle mirroring options to find the perfect balance between precision and creativity.